Alright, what's up guys? So this is a tutorial on how to remove Find My iPhone from an iPhone, or you can do it from any device, really, Apple device that has Find My iPhone application. So you're going to sign in with your Apple ID and password. This only works if you know your Apple ID and password. If you don't know your password, you're going to have to reset it. So you can watch my other video for how to reset. So you're going to sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to see a list of devices, okay? In order to remove Find My iPhone, the device either has to be powered off, a dead battery. It has to be pretty much powered off. Otherwise, you're not going to see the option to remove it. So, for instance, my example of the iPhone X Max, you click on Actions at the bottom. It's going to give you a list of options: play sound, lost mode, or erase device. You're not going to see the option to remove it, which you're looking for, unless it's powered off. So I'm going to use my daughter's device as an example. See how it says powered off? It's offline. Top right hand corner, you'll see remove. Click that and it's gone, just like that.